feed the pony.
Yeah, okay, I'll introduce us, but we've all got to go over together.
Great.
You fucking sad cases. You don't just walk up to a girl in a club and introduce yourself. It's creepy. Clubs are different rules, you dick. Look, you dance over near them, make the eyes, then get them to dance with you.
Really? Annoyingly, that does sound right.
Thank you. And then after a bit, you stand up behind them, pretend to slap them and fuck them up the arse.
That might be a bit much. Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, fucking hell, I'll do it.
What about Nicole?
It's only dancing, she likes my dancing. Stick with me, you'll be fine.
Right then, Si. Looks like the holiday starts here.
This rap is about birds. Bird is the word, now haven't you heard? You guys are thinking like you're in a herd. Use your big brain and open your mind. Open up your mind to their petty lies. They are telling lies about birds, they don't exist. Birds shouldn't be able to fly. Animals in general shouldn't be able to fly because they don't have engines. How can they fly without engines? I don't know. I'm no physicist, but I know that you need an engine to fly. And last time I checked, a fly doesn't have an engine, so how does he fly? I don't believe it. Why are you lying about this to us? Please explain.
I don't believe it. Let me hear you say, fuck the birds, fuck the birds. Let me hear you say, fuck the birds, fuck the birds. Forget what you heard, fuck the birds, fuck the birds. We'll never get you all, fuck the birds, fuck the birds. Hey, you ever seen Big Bird? He's not a bird. There's a person inside him. Haven't you heard? He's a bird. But not a real bird, just a big bird. Sesame Street, haven't you heard? Nigga, haven't you heard? Down the street with the kids, he touches kids, he fucks kids. Oh, this bird's a fact. Big Bird actually fuck kids?